Emperor, you will not falter! We can't hold! Run for your lives! Cowards! You will fight, or you will die.
Captain Gabriel Angelos of the Blood Raven's 3rd Company. Status.
My lord, forgive me. We have done all we can to stop the orcs, but we have failed. My men's lives are yours.
You stood your ground in the face of the Emperor's foes. You've done your duty. If your men have failed you, I will leave their judgment in your hands.
Thank you, my lord.
I am not here for your thanks. This port must be held if we are to maintain troops and supply lines to the planet's surface. That is why we are here. Now, what of the wounded and the civilians?
Stranded. We have few ships.
Then you shall have more. All Blood Raven flights execute Protocol 23 and initiate civilian evacuation. We will dispatch the ground forces.
Yes, my lord.
Ground forces, my lord? But the orcs have retreated.
You must know your enemy to defeat them, Colonel. Orcs only retreat to regroup. They will keep coming until you or they are dead. Brothers, let us destroy this alien filth! What a glorious day for a battle.
Heresy
As the stronghold, our frontline battle headquarters is currently being assembled. We should proceed with caution until it is finished. We must start capturing strategic points. These 3 closest strategic points will do for now. Let us capture them first, and then move on to the others. Splendid. The stronghold is complete. We must now set about establishing a proper frontline base.
721 initiated. I await your instructions.
Securing objective. We are the Emperor's
The first thing we need is a chapel barracks.
Yes,
That will allow us to call down more
one.
Space Marine squads.
With all due haste.
Excellent. The chapel barracks is finished. Now you can build some more Space Marine squads.
Yes, most beneficent one. Build routine 721 initiated.
If we are to defeat these orcs, we will need to call in some special weapons. We must build an armory to get access to them.
Moving out.
I await your instructions.
Excellent. The armory is operational. The Space Marine squads
your
can now
command.
upgrade their standard bolters to flamers and heavy bolters.
Faith is our shield. Marine squad deployed.
We must not forget our power needs. Building a plasma generator will supply us with the power we need to keep our force going.
Yes, most beneficent one. I await your instructions.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Moving out. Objective acquired.
Yes, Lord? Build routine 721 initiated.
What would you have me do?
Defending objective. Under fire.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Onward to glory!
Plasma generators will continue to produce power at a constant rate. But there is a limit of
Moving
how
out.
many plasma generators can
While
be
the
built.
enemies of
The
the
Emperor
Emperor
still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Yes, most beneficent one?
My faith is my shield.
Onward to glory! Fear our wrath. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium.
We are taking damage.
Moving out. Cleanse, purge, kill. Moving out. Stay vigilant, brothers.
I await your instructions. With all due haste.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace. My faith is my shield.
Objective acquired.
Walk softly and carry a big gun.
Here to serve.
Captured.
Well done. We have captured several strategic
Build
points.
routine 721
Capturing strategic points and
initiated.
building
And carry
listening
a big
posts
gun.
on them earns us more requisition resource, which we can
Onward
use
to
when we
glory.
build squads and equipment. It is time to hunt down the source of these orcs. They must have a base somewhere within the walls of this Imperial facility. Emperor, protect us. Look, an
Commencing
orc
attack.
camp. And look there, a break in the spaceport's defensive wall. They must have blasted their way in. We must destroy this orc camp and any others these foul creatures may have constructed.
Initiating attack protocol 23. Weapons at ready. It is time.
Excellent. This orc camp
Objective
has been
locked.
destroyed.
Orders received, brother.
Those Imperial Guardsmen look like they could use some assistance. Come, brothers, make haste.
Our prayers have been answered. Here come the Space Marines! We are the Imperial Guard. It is time we started acting like it.
Yes, most beneficent one.
I shall not die on this day.
I will do as you ask.
Excellent. The point is now protected from an Orc retaliation. We should continue to build listening posts on all our captured points.
Position secure.
I will do as you ask.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Stay vigilant, brothers. Maintain attack formation. Fear our wrath. Weapons at ready. It is time. Engaging the enemy.
Regroup!
Moving out. Initiating attack protocol 23. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Engaging the enemy. Initiating attack protocol 23. Understood. Engaging the enemy. Engaging the enemy. Engaging the enemy. None shall stop us. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Initiating attack protocol 23. We will crush the enemies of the Imperium. Moving out. Onward to glory! Commencing fire!
Form up, men!
Commencing
There's
attack.
work to be done!
Stay vigilant, brothers. Stay vigilant, brothers. Objective acquired.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Regroup!
Claim it in the name of the Emperor.
I await your instructions. I exist to serve.
Fear denies faith. Cleanse, purge, kill. At your command. Cleanse, purge, kill. Yes, my lord. Strategic point identified. Yes, my lord.
Excellent. This Orc camp has been destroyed.
Mission accomplished.
Yes, Lord? I await your instructions. With all due haste.
What would you have me do?
Weapons at ready. It is time. Position secure.
The Emperor protects.
Onward to glory! Cleanse, purge, kill! Orders received. Onward to glory! Strategic point identified. We stand ready. Cleanse, purge, kill! Understood. Orders received. Attacking as ordered. Maintain attack formation. Consolidating position on the objective.
Form up, men! There's work to be done!
I await your instructions. Build routine 721 initiated.
Direct us to the enemy. Stay vigilant, brothers. Yes, my lord.
Reporting for duty, sir.
While the enemies of the Emperor still draw breath, there can be no peace.
Here to serve. As you wish.
Enemy is attacking. Maintain attack formation.
Here to serve. I shall obey. As you wish. With all due haste.
Awaiting orders. Maintain attack formation.
Yes, Lord, as you wish.
This day shall be a glorious one for the Imperium.
Armor reporting.
Taking heavy fire.
The Emperor protects.
Attacking as ordered. Attacking as ordered.
Heavy support
I
available.
await your instructions.
Today, the enemy shall know fear.
Yes, Lord.
Taking damage.
On alert, brothers. The enemy must be nearby.
Position securing out. Orders received, brother. Weapons at ready. It is time.
For the Emperor.
Attacking as ordered. None shall stop us. Commencing attack. Commencing attack. Charge!
No retreat! No surrender!
My power armor will protect.
Engaging the enemy. Initiating attack protocol 23. Fear our wrath.
There,
Stay
that's
vigilant,
the last of them.
brothers.
Well done, Blood Ravens. Victory is ours.
I am honored to be in the presence of a librarian. I wish to know how my men can better serve you.
We shall wait for the captain to finish his prayers. I saw you stand against the orcs. You are a brave man, Colonel. I wish I could say the same of your men.
I shall strengthen their resolve, my lord.
See that you do, or we shall do it for you. You have something you wish to say. Say it, Colonel.
How did you know?
Even without my psychic gifts, it is obvious. Speak.
Is it true your company eradicated a heresy on the planet of Cyrene recently? An exterminatus, down to the planet's last man, woman, and child.
Colonel, your company is welcome, but such questions are not. Do not ask the captain about Cyrene if you intend to remain in his good graces. Brother Captain, the Colonel wishes an audience with you.
Thank you, Isidore.
My lord, my Tartarus 37th Imperial Guard Regiment stand ready to serve you in protecting the city. They wish to make amends for...
They will have many opportunities to prove themselves warriors worthy of the Emperor. The Blood Ravens are leaving the city. Its protection is in your hands.
I will ready my men. May I ask what your next course of action is?
Orcs only respect strength. I intend to show them that we have it in ample supply.